In pre-colonial Igbo land, women were not weak or silent. They were powerful, organized, and influential. Women as leaders. Igbo women had their own political system. They formed groups like Omoada, Alotaradi, or Inyomdi, which settled disputes, protected women's rights, and corrected abusive men. When women spoke, even kings and elders listened. The Aba Women's Riot. One of the strongest examples of Igbo women's power was the 1929 Aba Women's Riot. Thousands of women rose up against unfair colonial taxes and injustice. They marched, sang, protested, and forced the British authorities to retreat. It remained one of Africa's greatest female resistance movements. Women as traders and breadwinners. Igbo women dominated local markets. They traded palm oil, garri, clothes, and vegetables. Many women trained their children with trading profits and built families economically. Women as custodian of morality. Through Umada groups, women punished evil behavior, settled family conflicts, and restored peace in communities. So, culture never made women useless, it made them indispensable. Igbo women were never behind history, they helped write it.